So my people, we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So one big stir up and mix up and blend and passa I go on right now my people. Mackerel Mada cause a big thing on TikTok. Seeing between she and Sunshine, cause I don't know Sunshine did I try help out Mackerel Mada over there, yeah? I try get some money for her to sort out some things, you know what I mean? And the mother come throw Mackerel under the bus. Seeing? So Mackerel have to end up go over down, you know. Go confront her mother and expose her. Seeing? So me have Mackerel confront her mother and the mother, you know what I mean, over down. Chat up a bag of things, my people. I mix up woman for chew, you know. You see me? Sunshine, you know, respond to the mother and some of the things them with the mother have to say. You see me? Cause basically the mother try make it look like say money run and she not get it in her way. You see me? So watch out my people. We are gonna get E-Night. We have also TikTok boss. It's like him get kicked out of the place where him did rent my people. You see me? And I know the landlord do it. And some man forward and get rid of him out of the place. You see me I say? And then him, you know, I put the puzzle together and I say the landlord link with the man them, so it look like a landlord get the man them if he move him up out of our place. So we are going to get into that, the people. These are the things I have to share right now with you guys. But maybe we add more things as we go along. So, make we get in at my people.
People with the customer don't know me. You understand?
Princess, we are taking it one step at a time. Send the voice note that put here because we can't do you so Anna defend you and you're not.
Right. We want to hear exactly.
Right.
So we can't talk on your side and we can't talk on the other side. We have to just take in the middle. Because we have to listen to two sides for believe.
Because everybody are going to look say she cuss out her daughter upon live. So everybody are going to have a little hate fear.
Yeah.
Video.
And I know me not cuss my picking up, but I feel listen what the side of the story.
Why Sunshine don't post it?
Alright.
If them video the house are clean, Mr. Sunshine,
why you not post it?
For somebody, and I think that she going to one of them shoe store there pick up. I'm going to see she post that. So if somebody clean Princess house, why Sunshine don't
Why they never post?
that?
It's true. She talking the truth.
Why she not post it? I mean not carry down nobody. Me go the beg furniture.
No, but listen, the fact is that the first mistake you made was when you bring down the daughter.
No man, me never bring her down. Me go after October. After October, she never talk to me.
Where you say you have. So we send the number in your inbox. So
Princess, we have take this one.
Well on them is B. Me phone talk, you understand? So because me dey on the live.
yeah, we know say when you come out. We know say when you come out.
Alright. When me come out.
You say
Yes.
evidence. You're not going to just talk and listen because we have to listen to
Yeah, you have to have evidence. If you don't have no evidence, we're not going to believe.
Right. And nobody now going to believe her. Nobody's not going to believe her because you know so well you tell her about her daughter upon live. So nobody now going to believe her.
And that's going to make a big difference. So you have to send her the vice.
Yes.
And we are going to be true to you. When me I listen your voice, your screen record, you never like how you talk because you get held. So you never did have to go so hard.
Miss Princess, come down and send Auntie down the
Chance
vice
of
and then you come back
you
up.
know that you lick the nail on the head when you say
Man, why Sean not
but the
stop
people
calling
them
man?
get the things them and then them say something else and then the people them decide say that that is exactly what happened, you know.
When it happen with the money too, them play big like them are going to send $1 million when they take a $10. And then make the person we are going to get the money, them are going to get $1 million when it's not $1 million. But the host are going to get the blame because of the host platform. So you are going to over down, they collect $20 and they over give me $10. When that $10 people them did send.
Because if you give somebody something, you have to give them something good and done. You can't come walk in the woman blind, you want to come get her old broke up dusty furniture. You can't do them things, yeah? So me tell
but the only reason we come up in a Mada, show them that disrespect the woman and that not go on power platform. Them that disrespect her too much. It don't matter whatever the situation be, them cannot cause woman worship line and this and that. They can't do that. No matter what the circumstances.
because them
screen
record when she prove it, say she talk to Sunshine, say them no good, and Sunshine say leave it alone, don't take it.
She said don't take them.
Right.
So that means
Don't take
she
it.
say, alright, but it's the work. Like you said,
what
you want to see?
listen me. Me never well I know mister. Me never record she when she a do that, you know. Cause me trust her so much. Is the girl we promised me the furniture where them left to give me the furniture. Is that recording me have? Me never record.
It don't matter which recording you have.
The girl recording we say the furniture not no good.
The whole furniture.
If you have the furniture, the girl voice we say the furniture them no good. And then broke up her, them this or them that.
Yeah.
You can't understand.
Yeah,
because you're not. Why you supposed to take whole furniture? Right, we know why you're not telling them.
That is why me not tell them. So even the guy will come and talk, them a try brainwash the poor guy because me and him, me don't know him none at all. The only thing me did offer for him a piece of land when they say him if he live back in the community. And when time me hear say him a one kind of person, you understand? Me glad. Right.
But darn,
me don't know him. Me no know him. That him make me come up, you know, because him make me hear I talk about me and me say because them call me and tell me say if me bring them down, it now go pretty. That's why me ain't talk neither. Me
Don, let me tell you something. The first wrong princess, Miss Princess Meg, is when she go up on live and I have discussion about her daughter. You hear me? That's all the people that know what them can do and what them can't do when it come to her. That is the biggest mistake she ever made.
Tell you, miss, alright, if you say a mistake, alright. They ask me about her because I work, me they looking at me stand and them ask me about her. And at one point, she even said cease fire, that a sunshine. So she never did agree if they ask me, but they ask me anyway. But it's when the next day when my daughter did a show her place and I cry, them said to me, say, turn on your camera because people want to help you. But me and my daughter, no talk after October. French take the baby. She not talk back to me. Me love the baby so till.
But that's why you should not tell them.
Yeah, we
She
not
asked me
talk
help to buy them that. I tell them not to do that. Well, I little princess. Princess, that's where you went wrong. I told them that she have told them she offered me the help to look the land to put up the store. But afterwards, when I really hear anything else much from her, then they would have said, we could get to Mackerel and see if we can help, even to get to the store with the land or whatever. But you say you don't get no help.
Hey, Mackerel mother coming like say I want to look a mix up woman, you know. Yeah man, like I want to look a mix up big woman. She want her situation look like the worst so that them give her as much as them can. You see me feel say that go on still. But you are one people. You see persons them where take up charity and say them are do charity and them come on the media and beg for other people. But I go tell you something man. You see when at the end of the day, you see when them done beg, you see anything when them get for that person there, them give the people them what they want to give them. You see me I say, them use this begging thing here for people and fatten for them own pocket. You see me I say, enough of them no want it sure say them a beg. Notice the people them where do them type of something them. Remember me tell you say them always have a thing at the end of the day. Because them we get even 100 and not even half of that you know see. Them just tell us say boy this them get. Go about them business and give what them feel like for give. You see, but some people can't do better still. But now say this girl sunshine I do that still, you know. But if you are a colleague, sir, you know, we could watch someone with people. You don't want to draw out the video too long, we could watch someone.
No, miss, listen, no, man, They no record
You know
them.
what? Let me tell you what.
Listen up, me tell them say I was working
the whole heap
for
of question
her.
them get she carried away. No, the whole heap of the people them.
Well, if I question them, I me tell them say me that work for her. I that me tell them say I was working for her. Because when me have look about the baby, she have been lit out, you know, because she have to come on live 6 and then hours their morning time. All them the time I have a baby, so me tell them that.
But Miss Princess, I didn't tell Sunshine that Mackerel did not give you $15,000 and feed and then something. You never tell her that.
Yes, I told them that.
No, after when people start talking, Mackerel come out, then
no, she never mention about it. That is why people want to always put her down. She's lying and she's telling the truth, mix up together.
Well, they confuse me. You see, when me and Sunshine them the talk, me never mention the house because Laddie never want me to mention the house. The other day when she showed the house, that was the night when they called me and said, turn on your camera, and when me hear people, I say, me bad mind, and then so me start search with the people, and say, me couldn't bad mind.
That's a fair game because you never have to mention the house.
So me never mention
privacy that.
Privacy, I never want about it anymore.
Yeah,
exactly. So me never tell them about the house because the girl did always say to me, say, Mommy, not say nothing about the house. And me make the pitney get the house which part today. Because I wish part my sister that she get me make she get it. So me never
Princess, now the same piece of land where you did that give Mackerel and your son tell you don't give it to Mackerel. Now it's your turn around and offer this guy now.
No, my daughter did ask me for the room. And me tell her, so we did have some things store in there. But if she want it, can me have a message them in my phone. If she want it, she have to go make we build something outside for store me stuff them and she get the room. But then when she said, all right, Mommy, get one man and make we see what we can do. When me get the man, she come back again and say, Mommy, me not better build the house for you there no because me cuss bad word. And you know I go, why? Hear it. So I saw me call my sister and say, look here, give her the piece of land why you give her in a 2023. My sister was kind of, iffy.
We don't need to turn go do all of that, Mada.
Right.
Them dude, we don't want to hear all of that. We just want the voice note them and the choosing and whatever. It's a go straight for different things.
What is my problem?
Only they ask me.
Help is a genuine help, and I don't think Sunshine help was a genuine. Me feel like the two Mackerel, they always over liar them part. She just did a cause some controversy. I don't give a damn, me just talk what I say. That help was not a genuine help. This is too bangarang and contagious. That is what them call it.
I mean, after she didn't start it, she did start the help and she tell me what to do with the money. And I did everything. She don't post my video, fine. But she don't tell me, say me destroy the money. I don't.
Clean your house. And Sunshine says she clean the house. Post the video. Mrs. Sunshine go do shopping what the Ayana buy slippers and I say all who this for and baby for. She post it. So why them don't post the video when them clean your house?
Okay. That me I say post it. Since I don't clean it, post it then.
Let me answer the question again. Where you say nobody never come at your yard come clean out the house?
No, miss. Nobody no clean it. The girl that them send, she just come and she take the video. You understand? No, us not clean. Me and my son. We try and do what we can do. We no clean. Nobody no clean no house. The girl come and she take the video of me house when it's in the state, and she and they have it.
But nobody no come there come clean it.
But nobody no come here come clean it.
All right, let's get the furniture now. Don't get the furniture something now. Send the furniture thing go to Dan now. Me could hear how the furniture thing go.
Send it to Dan. Me could hear what the lady said.
And this is gonna make a big difference if you're gonna really have you a certain way or not.
Yes.
Get the video and send it. The problem is whoever this Sunshine is, she didn't want to catch a bigger buzz off of the thing, So guess what now? She want to go and like she help the woman, like she help the big woman. And she never really genuine about helping the big woman. Like Stinger said, it's true what Stinger said, she wasn't genuine, because if you did genuine, You that just help the woman and give the woman the good things.
No, not after the woman is there and I create controversy. After somebody, hold on a little bit. Hold on a little.
Come off, lady.
She's over there and she's supposed to come on a little.
Well, I'm not tell people to come off from Mada live.
Yeah, but you gotta tell me some my teacher and then help her genuine and my teacher help her.
You did that help her, but come on a little. Right, she's supposed to. Remember, say it's Mackerel, but create controversy over here.
One way you are go.
It's Mackerel create a problem. When the help is gonna stop, and that is understandable. But that don't mean that she never did a help her.
What teach about?
Stinger, and that me say me teacher help her. This woman is a wicked
Was helping her. Mackerel Mada.
That means that she not doing it
Mackerel
anyway.
Mada. Don't Sunshine was helping her until they gone in a group with.
Hey, my people, I know everybody you fi run to for help. Enough of them people, yeah, them do it for different reason. Enough of them not help people genuinely. And me nah say like me nah talk Sunshine. You see me I say? Because we don't know if she help Mackerel Mada genuinely or she did it for clout. Because she and Mackerel, me don't think them good like that when she did help Mackerel Mada. You see me? So maybe shoulda do that just to highlight the fact that Mackerel Mada come beg and whatever and this and that. See? Cause this go left too quick. You understand what I say?
Hold on, little. They're
Chef
gonna
Andali,
controversy.
come in comment, Chef Andali.
Okay.
Don't Sunshine was helping you until they start controversy.
You don't step on Sunshine, so come
Over
off Sunshine name and call. Well, I want to corrupt, you know, bad mind.
If that is the problem with Mackerel Mada and them stop the help, you cannot say the help was not genuine because she create a problem when stop the help.
Create a problem by saying she do not want the furniture that don't.
No, it's not about the furniture only. She create a problem.
Hello, book a truth. If you not come over here, contact, gonna have respect for each other and do it one at a time.
Exactly.
For real.
Do it one at a time and have respect for each other. No matter what you want for disrespect. I understand, say some say teacher, some say Dan, some say whoever. But it's just a conversation.
Exactly.
We're all, if someone will lie, go right down to the bottom of our foot and come back up. And some don't lie. But we can conversate without being disrespectful. We're all mothers and we're all big women. So let's just do it accordingly.
All right, thank you, Big B. Miss Princess,
Listen, man, too much disrespect.
Yes.
how does it? Why the relationship with you and Sunshine turn left after she start helping you?
Okay, so when, as me said, me did me don't know about the mix up or not because
Stinger, no disrespect. The woman need to come off and send the things them and then come back. She needs to send the things then.
Yeah, don't talk about nobody else when I ask you a question. Just answer it honestly. Because you're not come over here, come tell like for Sunshine. And if I lie, you're going to tell. It's a message to come over here, so. So I'm going to ask you a question.
Hold on there.
You just talk.
Sting, hold on. Dan, make she come down, send the video, and then you can continue the conversation.
Exactly. Go spoon. That's it.
Make she come down, send the video, and come up.
Yes. Because you're talking a vein now.
Make she come down and send the proof. Because you don't make no sense to them, she not send the proof. Make she send the proof.
Send the proof, yes.
The furniture.
When she come back, she never call.
All right, now we are talking a vein. You don't know where to start.
Exactly. We know one day and I said about the furniture when the lady was that send them the truth for them.
Exactly.
Make she come with her evidence. Because she have a track record against her daughter, you know, and because of that, when she even go tell the truth, people now go listen to her.
Exactly. That we just said from the beginning. What real mother go against them daughter? You can't.
That is our reputation to talk bad about her daughter.
Yeah, but once a person show them character, it's go hard for people to have a different mindset about them. You understand?
Right.
Good morning. Morning.
Good morning, everybody. Dan, me can ask if you do me a favor, please. Me need me and Princess up here for a minute. Please, because me don't want nobody interrupt me when me talk.
Yeah.
All right, Auntie Dawg.
So she can ask her a question them and she answer back the question them and we see what is what.
Right. All right.
Yeah.
Princess.
Yeah.
When the first time I come in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
One me bring.
Nah, you're not.
Wait. What the person who just did a talk a while ago?
Hello.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
When Princess first come on Sunshine Live and I ask for help, that part explain already. But me not go really go down in the details. Me touch the important part of the conversation. When Princess,
You mute.
Princess come and ask for help, Dan. Different people come on the live, and some was saying that they have things can give her, and some was saying that they can buy her things. When the man offered the furniture and the man explained to Princess and said to her, listen, me have some furniture at one place, but them been locked up for 4 years. Dust and soot upon them, so you'd have to clean them off, right? She could have said to the man, say, no, sir, me no want them because other people on the live was willing to buy her brand new furniture. Just like where you see everybody else get brand new furniture and stuff. She could have said to the man, say, she no want them. Princess say, nothing is wrong with that. She proceed. So, when she tell the man, say, she
Nothing
would
like that.
Jesus
Nothing like that.
Hey, you know, say, yes,
Nothing
you
like that.
Listen up.
And then when they not call me.
Listen up. Dan, me not gonna come up here and argue with Princess, you know. Me not gonna come up here and argue with her, you know.
Yeah, just talk your part.
Me no need for come here, so and tell no lie. You understand? You see, just like how
Nothing
you
like that. Nothing
you see,
like
just
that.
like how you see everybody else get brand new furniture. She could
Nothing
get
like
brand
that.
new furniture.
I will not take anything that. Miss Dan, me play the recording from my other phone because it take me too long.
Dan, you keep on as a play recording and this and that.
Too long.
Yeah, she not. You can't mute her, make me talk. Mute her, make me talk. Mute her, make me talk. Cause me not gonna back and forth with Princess up here, so.
Yeah, we are listening. Yeah.
So, anyways, now she said she would take the furniture them, right? The man send him number coming in at the inbox and say somebody I forgot go at the house for she come and get the furniture them. We say alright then, cool. We did it wait. Yes, when my girl Princess yard done, the yard was so I have videos in on my phone. And if me was the type of bring down type of person, I could have posted video or look clout and them thing there. The yard full of pure junk, pure all things in the yard and them something there. And I me alone go. I mean I say, but this is not a 1 day cleaning. This need she not even have seal up on top of her roof. Anything could have gone in pan her. She not have no back door. The walls them dirty and them thing there. So I did buy bleach, disinfectant and all of that. I put it down and I said to her, I said, listen, it don't make no sense. We waste the disinfectant because the place need to clean up properly. And this is not a 1 day work. So what you gonna do? You gonna get a truck man and take all of the junk them from out of the place. Because I pure junk in the house. Pure old clothes.
Come out first before the house could even start.
Yes, before the house could I get one proper clean for say we clean the house and it look cleanable where we can post a video and them thing they done.
Alright, my people. So this girl, she attacked some things You know what I mean? But one thing she can't do, she can't kind of try to shame the woman in her way by saying that the place never look good and clean and, you know what I mean, talk about the junk them and something with it there in the yard or whatever. Remember, say this is a visually impaired person. Them now go see everything for do. You understand what I say? So, you have to see with her when it comes to that. You see me? But, Mackerel Mada, look to me, seem to me like one of them liar big woman there. You understand me? Because here what she has said, she never agreed to the furniture. So if you never agree to those furniture, how them would have sent those furniture come give you? That more I know. You see me I say? But we are going to listen some more me people because Mackerel go forward on the live too, you know.
The house is not a one day cleaning.
And it need more than one people to clean it. And it need more than one people to clean it too.
And it need more than one people to clean it. Me alone couldn't do it. So, me said to her, I said, listen, for sure, if we that chest cloth, me could have do in our room, you know, cause our room not so bad, you know. Me could have do in our room and say, blah, 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 you know. But me say, no, we are going to paint the place first and do it. Yeah, and clean up all of the junk them from inside of the place and them thing there before we even post a video, right? Anyways, she get the money. $1,400 was raised fair upon the platform. Them end up sending her $1,000 something dollar. Sunshine and me and Sunshine said to her, I said, listen, you see that money there, you go buy aluminum, and you go buy paint, and you go buy seal to seal up the roof and them thing there and door for put on the back. It come like she never want to spend the money. It come like say she wanna look we for raise the money for do all of that different. You understand? When she buy the things them, she send me video. Can me have videos for before and after. She send me video. With that wait on the furniture them done. Knowing say you're blind, when the woman call you for the furniture them, right? Why you never call me? Call me and I have an understanding. Why she never call me and say, Dolly, the lady call me for the furniture them, you know. I want you carry me, go look on them and stuff. Remember, say I dust. The furniture them lock up for all long now. Just I got the on them.
Yeah, you said the man for 4 years.
That's how they need this little cleaning. The furniture they're in a good condition because the same day other people come and get the furnitures them. So if I did broke up furniture them, and not only that, out of the money she did supposed to put on back her light for $60,000 as what she tell me. She never put on back no light. You hear me I tell you? So when she go come over here and go like so we never do nothing fair upon the platform, I pure lie she tell. Pure lie she tell. I mean I like that. You come over here, if you come over here and ask for help, come ask for help. Don't contain a light on Sunshine and try bring down Sunshine because of that the people want.
Over here, son, not do we not do them the sitting there. We not do that.
She going from life to life. She had jumped from life to life. She had jumped from life to life and I tell all different type of life. I mean I rate that water. Me not rate that. Dan, me said to the woman say, you see, don't make nobody call you upon them platform and ask you no question.
No, go upon no live.
Just stay quiet.
No, go upon it.
Just stay quiet. Just stay quiet until we finish help you. That me said to her, ask her for lie, me I tell. Me said just stay quiet.
Miss Princess. She tell us to stay quiet until when they done help you.
Yes. They tell me that, but me tell you, Miss Dan.
Why you go on other platform?
I don't go on no other platform. It's just when no other platform I don't go on. I just my platform me talk on and the group call. The conference.
Yeah, things where you know for say in the group.
But here now, Miss Dan, me have the record in them. And me say, Dolly, only one thing you say where I lie. No, the man never confront me about no furniture. The first time after him come on live and talk, so him have some furniture. I have never talking to that man. That only the only truth you know talk. The first time was March 17 when the girl called me. when me call the girl and the girl is telling me about them, she said me have to get the settee and wash it. She said the table is there, have some chippy at the foot, but no chair. She said after the people them left the furniture and gone, somebody was living in there and it locked up for 4 years and they're under construction. So the cement and everything they pan it. And that is why she have them. I mean, it said to her, so me go tell back the lady, she said, "Fi them come cuss me now." In her voice note, she even said, "They said I should not tell you, but me couldn't make you come and get them something here."
So play that McQueen here, so we can
play it. Let me go play it now.
Here, so we can say yes. This is it for true. This is what happened.
Voice message. Duration 7 minutes 30 seconds.
Okay, you take a station gun to yourselves. Oh yeah, man. I'm quiet. Okay. I would do somebody something. So can you see what people are understand now? Okay, me understand it. They did in a good condition, but then you secure them in back yourself, so people just come and take them.
That's the Tuesday when she had changed her mind.
So the body man never upset when I give it them. They never upset, don't? No, but people know that they have to carry it back because I know that people take them out.
Hey, me can't hear nothing clearly what them say on that device note there. Me can't hear nothing clearly. Tell me if you can't hear clearly. You see what I say? So, me don't know what to say, I know when people can look like some Mackerel Mada have proof of some of the things them. Because me I really say, how she would have accept the furnitures and then you know what I mean, she had to have bad pan it and nobody want them. How come? You see me? Me don't know who tell the truth or who tell the lie. So I want to tell me in the comment section with people. Jaja, boy, me I tell you. And you know enough of them something here why enough people no want help out nobody again, you know, because of the mix up and the drama we come with it, you know. And enough people afraid to even go beg something from certain people. Sometimes you have to just hold your own and just know say, yo, you will go through it eventually. More than for beg a person and then I bring down after that. You understand me? Let me know what you think out some more.
Okay, I understand you. We do everything done, but I said I can't save my number.
Oh, no, play from the beginning.
Message.
Then, if you play a voice note, you start from the beginning, don't it?
Play.
Hold on, I'm coming. On a year.
Duration 30 minutes. Play. 7 minutes. Message. https://
No one
message.
to play.
Play voice message. Button. Normal speed button. Your voice message. Duration 7 minutes 36 seconds. 19 mark at 8:18.
Dan, listen now, me now go stay up here so still, you know. Yeah, she can play them the fear after me come down.
7 minutes 36 seconds. Release the recording locked.
Alright.
Speech off.
But this are the Tuesday when me I make somebody interview her. Me want you listen.
Okay, so the people them swarm me then, they swarm me. So there's everything around there, they swarm me and take them. So everything.
This are the Tuesday when my friend call her. Cause she said me not take them.
Yes. So me just with that sense of the love and some sign of
Dan, you hear the woman say the things I'm in a good condition, right?
No, that was
exactly. Oh, exactly.
That a Tuesday, Miss Dan, when the woman change her mouth. Listen, no man. Listen, no. That is Tuesday. I'm talking Friday, Monday. Cause even for me, them when me throw out, people are come for them. Listen.
Oh, so she comes in here, bro. Okay.
So this are the Tuesday when me make my friend attack.
I swear, but then they come up for maybe this one are dust, but so they only demand dust now. Right. And because of the food, we might find out one or scratch. Yes. It's on the nut with I can't fix up. Yes. Wow. I understand you. But did you talk with Sunshine? You talk with Sunshine, the lady? You talk with her?
If you are going to record the conversation, why you never record from the beginning to the end?
Because me never call to mind because to me Sunshine to me if you take them. You understand? So me never. But when she call me back the Tuesday and I tell me say me blessing black and them there, me make me friend call her. So the thing with Miss Dan, me never record her the Monday night because me never did understand so me could have record. But when Miss Sunshine call me 12:30 now and I say me shouldn't type in the comments so the things them no good. That's when me make my friend call her and that's when me catch that part. When the girl a change her mood.
You got to talk about them. You got to talk about the furniture them in the group.
No, when me talk about the furniture in the group, you know, Miss Sunshine never.
That's what you do now. Remember, you know, it won't talk already. And then you go put it in the group and make everybody know that. So she go feel away as the host. She go say you go get.
Well, I know, Miss Sunshine. When me talking, Miss Dan, me say to my friend them say, Sunshine say me no fit take them. When Sunshine call me Tuesday, she did not know that I spoke to my friends about it. So she called me and said him, Chase and Dolly say me shouldn't type in the comments say the things them no good. So she never know say me the post.
That's what me just said, them are going to feel away. When you go type that, you're going to
when me go type, I me tell her, right, I me accept that, I me say me sorry because
she can't up on the live, she come up on the live.
Up on the live, me type. Up on the live, me type. Alright. But me never know say. But me accept that me start. Me shouldn't type.
And look, she doesn't never feel a way towards the host.
Well, and Miss Dan, when me type, me and her talk, she come off of the live and said, what no? And me tell her, and she said, oh God, princess, you shouldn't. Me now make you take them. Look how we could have begged money. That's when me type, she come off and say it, So the next day, she called me and said, you block your blessing because you shouldn't type. Remember me and her talk the night.
All right, listen now. You see, when you type and she alone come to you, all of them now I go get up. Even the people them in the chat. I go say, so that woman they never did do that. So that's when everybody give she the backlash now. So she have to be because she get the backlash. Because remember, at first when she see it in a fear brain that come like a she alone see it. So she just deal with you after. Right. But then when she realize say everybody see it and them come down and say, see woman that type say French and they no good at what that makes you go feel a weird now. So that's how she go come back to you now.
And me say to her, say I am sorry about it. So
that's just natural.
You're right. Let me tell her, I'm sorry. So that's why me I say so most of where Dolly talk is true. She telling like, but the part with the cleaning of the house, she never get to clean that part. And let me tell you, Miss Dan, me name say Miss Sunshine don't help. She did start it. They help. But what pissed me off is how them treat me for the fact that me not take the furniture them. Because as me say, me never record the girl the night before because me never understand so me could have recorded. It was when Miss Sunshine called me back and talk to me, then me make my friend call the girl, and that's how where you hear me play and when me catch. So
what you mean why after someone things when no good? The furniture lock up in a house and a bad no live down. No
come like here. The person said dust out them lock up 4 year, so them are gonna be dusty.
And the thing about it is
nobody not there the house to clean them.
Dust. She even say it a rise.
What happened? What happened? Right. What happened, Miss Dawn? The girl said after the man left the furniture them, somebody was living there and she even cussed her mother and said you should have give nobody your house to live. The girl did tell me that the thing
at the end of the day.
You know, the girl did. And Miss never said
modern furniture. She said modern furniture.
Yes. Them modern Miss Dawn, but them no good.
Get the biggest
them no good.
Platform.
Them no good.
Yes, when Princess go in a group.
Which me not said, me not get help.
That's the problem.
And Dan, mute time man. Because me not the
pan. Me not know why. I don't know why they force me. Well, on the show, I know the girl who want get the furniture when no good.
Mute the lady.
Hold on, let me tell it out. I could hear what Dahlia said now. Yeah, go ahead.
If the furniture them never good, right? Why people, remember I know, you hear the people them say the furniture them modern, right? I dust upon them. So if then they don't spray over back, we would have do all of that. Princess never called me. She never called me when she called the woman about the furniture them. She never, I know she not see the furniture them, you know. So all if you say something no good where you not see for yourself.
But did somebody explain it? The girl explain it. The girl explain it.
I am villain and smiling face with dollar symbols on eyes and on.
Nobody now cause her she refused no furniture. The way she go about it, Dan, this woman in a group, I talk to people and I say I mix up the woman I create. That's why when time the whole thing come out, the people them back up because them say she's a type of person where like they use her mouth only. So the people them get afraid and say, but this a woman ain't easy. You get what me say? Our biggest downfall.
She talk with the people them in our group and think all of this.
Yes.
John. The furniture them dirty. I let me tell you about the group chat, Miss Dan. The group chat.
The furniture them
group chat. The furniture them just and they chip up. Let me tell you that the group chat now. And the group chat.
What kind of secret? I don't know about the furniture she in a group at all.
Alright, let me talk about the group chat then since I do want me.
No. Remember said the woman said she talking to her friends and her friends told her, do not take the furniture. And that's when she called up and said she's not going to take the furniture. And then the Sunshine person, she said, well, nobody take them then. But she should have shut her mouth and she shouldn't say anything to anyone.
To clear my name. Mackerel, everything you move from back to back. Before you mix up, you're a mix up big man. And that is what you are. Mama tell you that. You see that woman, you move from WhatsApp call to social media. This is what I was trying to prevent. The internet is not a good place. And I have a million people and you need to tell the truth. They have a million people who watch them in a dance. And let me tell you this, the million people is not with Uno. The million people is not with Uno. I don't think social media likes nobody. Them don't like nobody. Them come for ear.
My friend, me do social media forget like girl.
Don't talk to me.
I'm firing me there, no. I'm firing me there. Unlike you, we beg. Unlike you, we beg, you know. I'm firing me there, no girl.
I don't like none of Uno. I don't like Uno. Because I don't know where the media come with. This is done. This is what I was preventing. The whole heap of this and the whole heap of that and the whole heap of rare. You think it cute? You think it cute for no say you have people, oh, Mackerel wicked and Mackerel did. This is what I was preventing. And I'm like, she did that for hungry more than nobody else. And then when Sunshine did to the woman, it's like, nobody had done to her. She know what she was doing. Yeah, you wanna bring me down just to get some help. Jollof, that was cute. That was a cute.
But you know, hold on, Dan.
Come cry back to the internet.
Dan, let me say something to you. Aye, see Princess don't about them, you know, was the only one who say Mackerel is not a bad person. And I tell them say Mackerel.
Why you never tell her to stay off of the internet because she wasn't dying. She wasn't dying for hunger. Why you never think the internet like couldn't be?
But you're not listening to me. Listen,
the internet like none way because Dan, hey, you do enough talking. At my time now for talk. I'ma just wake up and everybody a call him phone a long time you're over here. Dan get her fair share of beat now, and me get my fair share of beat now. And a phone, no internet on the son of one do the internet. On the sit down and get a fair share of beat. Now internet on the never did know so when the whole of the song can drag me and I bring me down. And I talk about my baby batty will bust up on the rare. On the see there, my baby God now. And Sunshine on the see Uno we make a lady sing a box and bring me down and bring down my pitney on the say una woman empowerment. Una woman empower. Where's the woman empowerment? You freedom and make a mother bring down the child and bring down the so-called grand pitney. All me the right to say me a laugh off. You know why me a laugh off? Cause all Uno are wicked. From the mother to you, joy love, or jail love, or any bomb you want him. You are wicked. Sunshine are wicked. Big Pussy Dolly are wicked. Blinga are wicked. Where the other girl? Chef Brian are wicked. Name out clock Latano. Una kid. None Uno, una good. None a good soul in a Uno. Uno sit down in a box and bring down the data and talk about one who and go over RT like but want take man and want take man. I have them son and bring down my daughter. I was there. I watched all of it. Una this if liar wicked Dan, so it's Big Pussy Sunshine. If liar are wicked, if Big B them are wicked, and the whole of them are so Sunshine is being different from them. And Jayden, if you go look at work, I start me from box to box. Start me, hey, me not like Kenna. Me not like Kenna, me I tell you the truth. Me not like Kenna.
You don't feel like me, girl. After me, you don't feel like me.
Find something on a big woman. I'm talking a long time over here.
I mean, never over here a long time.
Long time over here. Una big woman. Una have nothing constructive I do on the internet. Leave the internet to kill this me. And Kayona we married 5 times. Leave the internet for people like us. When stop come over here, stop sympathize because people on the internet don't have them struggles. Anyway, money they do all I know each up with banger on the dirty life story. Wanna go and wall up on the stress like the end. And stop come over here. I mean, it don't look good, Dad. Danny don't want to see the woman will birth you. Sit down over here, bring your dog. Now the people will bring it, where them you, where them are you. It's where them are sit down and I bring it down with them. Turn them back, pa. Add that for it. Uno will total strangers. Uno don't know from nowhere. I bet you will learn now. I bet you know I'm gonna tell nobody else. My baby, but bust up again. For Rosealee can sit down and talk about it, and for me bring them back fear pick them. Uno will learn now. Uno will learn now. So uno will start make.
Hey boy, may I tell you, hey, sometimes people for hold them out and know where to talk, say, you know, because some of them things that Mackerel Mada divulge, you know what I mean, where them are use, you know, against Mackerel. I hear that thing that, you see me I say, and them have a saying where them say, sometimes it be the people closest to you, and I no lie. Look on this now. You see me? People, don't make me know what they think. We'll listen somewhere, then we'll go over Sunshine, go here for your side.
And we learn how to go and sit and pray. And we learn now, say anything when you get on the internet, and will take it, and for have the shame. Princess are you, me like, you know, you go have the shame now, and have say, boy, me not fit do this. Gonna go spot and pray and ask God for help and for forgiveness. Because I'm not perfect, you know. And God couldn't perfect, you know, because just like how the Bible says, honor your mother and your father, the Bible also says, parents don't provoke your children them to wrath. Yeah? When we learn now, yeah, your son, and your son will come bring me down over here, so I'm pray my friend them. When we learn now, because I'm tell them, Miss Dan, I don't do nothing but good in my heart. I could have pay a daycare for my pitney, and I choose I'm give she never liked my baby, and she call my baby at work. She never liked my baby, and she make sure she tell her the work done. Or if you call your grand pitney want work and go for some total big pussy girl, when I do from nowhere. I tell them these are my those are my dirt. Where are they now? Don't come over there and come cry. Go back to over sunshine, go cry. Go back, go sit over there and cry. Where daddy there, where big pussy that hear them over Blinga live night down. Here sunshine. Blinga, show them the woman visa. The lady have a visa long time. March 30 gone. Today is April the 4. Today is April the 4. I saw. Where is the una did that beat up on the chest over Blinga? Show them the woman visa. The woman a fly out March 30. March 30 gone. For sure, say who did that hype up over nothing. Who did that brag over nothing. Una just did want to bring me down.
Yep. The help never genuine, you know. Me see this, you know.
We see that from a long time, and that was set over here. The whole thing was to bring down Mac. That's all it was. It was a hype.
We wrap up this.
I didn't look good. I mean, I want a body sit down over here, start talk about me. Tell my aunties for giving a land. Never tell my aunties for giving and not mention the lady doing the mix up. The lady go work at daytime, cook her food, and she serve her food. The lady work. Do the lady not. You see, una love cascas and baga. My auntie not do cascas and baga. The people no just rest it. It help never do. It help never do. Me when you can go down a salvation, I have food for the poor because me have my 2 picnic. I say, because my father live with me in a dance, come say me I'm a good daughter. So the help no gay, and that is fine. This I can't live so in this month now. But all I here to say to Uno, it's a learning process. And what I never wanted you to be on the internet, me just glad you get a share. Whatever me did I run fire with, me just like how you get the share. Me so happy that you get the share and what me did I run from you get it. Because remember that come and that comes to me before the maternity, I say take it down because the internet is going to drag you. Take it down. Alright, you know that could help. Say they just want company internet and they just want bring me down. Alright then, you see there it happen and life happens. Later, yeah, Miss Dan.
Yeah, later.
And if me bring up in a box here that start class me. And it wasn't me. And you find me live, me never go look for you, lady. And you find me live. So you are the weapon that farm against yourself and your daughter. You is the weapon that farm against yourself and your daughter. And princess. Remember, Mr. Vegas did help you and chop you like a bad bit. So what you do, why so much people help you and chop you like a bad bit? Why nobody not stand firm with you to help you? Nobody stand firm with you to help you. Something wrong. Look here. People, if the donor them said, them not gonna further. So me
read your message, eh? When them talk about clean house, explain that. Cause Dali tell him that she never clean the house, right?
Well, she was the one that tell me that Dali is cleaning the house for her. When Dali got there the first day, Dali said she going back there. Dali and Princess have an understanding. Dali fall in love with Princess and she's a princess. Hug her up, she feels so good and she cry with Princess when Princess are crying.
You never say that. Jesus in love.
So, the cleaning of the house with Dali, that was Dali's responsibility to clean the house for Princess. Buy everything there and leave it there. Princess is the one, and Dali said to her that, just get everything out of the house and clean the place, because them trash can't clean in the house. When me the thing say at first, the house did clean. I the thing say the house did clean. And then Dali come back and say, no, auntie, the house not clean yet. Until when the furniture them come out of the house, I heap a banger and all clothes and all something in the house. Me have to get them the out first. And when the house done paint up and so, me go in with my cousin and do a proper deep cleaning. That's what Dolly said to me. Me the thing, Monica. All of the things, so when Dolly got to the first day, she did clean and Dolly correct with and tell me, say, she don't clean the house. She said, no, auntie, me leave the cleaning product them there and don't clean the house. So that was my mistake for her to say the house clean. All of it said the house clean and then Dolly come back and correct me and say the house not clean yet. Because she have the cleaning stuff them there. And
some people, they created a monster. You see me I say, I know the monster turn upon them. Because it look like say them do it to spite and bring down Mackerel. Cause remember you know, that's what me with Mackerel mother happen just when Mackerel reveal say she have a house, you know. Alright, they say you know. It start. And see it, Mackerel mother turn upon them you know. So when them did I look for go out with Mackerel, it reverse back to them. As me say, me don't know if out of them willing good heart, them did I help Mackerel mother, or them did I do it just to bring her down. Let me know what you think in the comment. So we are going to watch this and then we go over TikTok boss my people, because him say man tell him to move up from which part him him rent.
she said, Princess say, the one thing, when everything done paint up and stuff, then we can clean the house. So when time Princess come out now and I paint a wrong narrative, Princess, why Vegas not help you? Why when you come up from the time and the blind community them get them and chump up money for the blind community them where you form a team and say you're the leader for the blind community and give her the money and you come up foreign, why when you go back you never give the people them things where the people them give her the money for buy? Princess, me get everything about you. Exactly, mother for house can't clean with garbage. So them woman they over there so they must clean for them house with garbage because the house can't clean. And when the girl come and say, no auntie, you have it wrong, the house not clean because too much garbage, everything have to get clean out. And we that say the house clean and then Dolly correct me and say the house don't clean. So at the end of the day, when una attack, una fi ask Princess why Vegas stop help her, why the blind community was she in the group with. Nah, do nothing for her because them give her money when she come up in the time to buy for everybody. And she take everything for herself and go back and sell it. Tell them, Princess. Well, the data was telling us, but what we do, we are trying to help her. And Mackerel come across me. Mackerel never did say, alright, let me go over Sunshine, or let me inbox Sunshine and say, Sunshine, what mother comes say about me. And then me that tell her, but she start take it up in and miss and start cuss me. And start style me. And I style all my mother. And Mackerel don't know my mother. She don't know my mother. So at the end of the day, people, one time some people come click them live, and wanna go up on platform and wanna attack, wanna make sure you get the fuck of the story. Make Princess go the fuck of the story. Can you know what the Princess doing since morning? Princess I play the recording where she record the girl Tuesday. And Princess called by the girl Tuesday. And one time me said to Princess say, Princess come in the live and type and say the furniture them not good. And the door of them start ring off my phone and say Sunshine. You know see how Princess type and I say the furniture them not good. She could have called the phone and tell her that. And when the woman said to me now and chase it to her say, Princess call Sunshine. And Princess not call me. Me come off of me mute my life. And me call Princess. Mr. Princess, why would you type that in the comment section? Mr. What Princess? She said the girl said the furniture no good. Me say, alright then Princess, come me dip on my life. Here what? If anything, me I go beg back some money for you and make you get back some furniture. That's what me said to her. Then in the morning now, when me wake up to the door of them now, and all type of message where them sent to me. The door of them said to me, said, Sunshine, I'm not contributing nothing towards Princess. Because number one, what she do, she come in the comment section, come type it and she have your number. She should have called you or called Dolly. Princess never called Dolly, she called Dolly about everything else. When you never call Dolly and say, Dolly, me want you come with me, like all my vision in PR, me can't see. Come with me, come look on the furniture, them, because the woman say them dust up. But as Princess, call the woman, because me give Princess the number and say, call the woman and hear what the woman say. Because a long time she wait, every day Monica pressure me and say, Sunshine, call the man and find out about the furniture them now, that she can't get the furniture them. And I say, Auntie Monica, Me have to wait for the guy because him say as soon as him get somebody to take them out, and when the guy get the person I'm going to take them out Sunday, I call Princess. Sunday we call her, she said Monday. When I call Princess Monday, she said, Princess, you have to go now. Get the truck man. Me say, have the truck man. She said, yes, she put on the 20,000 for the truck man. So, the 20,000 we put on for the truck man now. Why you don't go use it, Princess? Can you never pay for the furniture? Since you say you want a bed bottom or a mattress, use the 20,000 we have and buy it, but just come out, Jen. Because so the blind fraternity tell me, the whole blind people, them come to me and come tell me. And say the worst thing. Them say, if them did ever know, say, me I go help them, they tell me, no. And them say, everything where your daughter talk about you is truth. And Dolly, me want you call Matic. Call Matic in the blind community too. Make Matic come talk. And Matic say she and Mackerel talk good. And Matic can come as a blind person come talk on behalf about Princess. So when you over there, so when we want to know, see, Princess get the money and don't want to use up the money at all. Dolly get a brand new store for Princess. Princess is so ungrateful. And she go suffer. Cause you know why you go suffer, lady? You tell a lot of lie. I'm there on the live, you know. So me call you back here. You're on my live. Oh, your live? Alright. Yeah. So, one time, she come and tell a fabricated story. And who are run with this and who are run with that. Look at you what the sensiblest one me here over the attack this morning. And Survivor and Graceful Treat. Them was the sensiblest one attack this morning. Because them know the truth. And she not tell people the reason why she left from here. It's not the furniture alone.
Teacher, she said,
if you don't want them, alright, I'll come back from my life, come beg.
She never said that. She'll come here and say, what? Me said, when you call something, you call something.
Yeah, when she said me, so she not protect them. And
she have screen record and I know she can't play it.
She can't play no screen record. Alright. My husband saying, and my husband wake me up to the live, you know. And
me text you,
Yes, so me did a show from there and my people about social media and how you can come trick nobody or deal with anybody any type of way because the people them will know you are going to show you out. So you see it. So all of the file them for Mackerel Mada. See all of them get spilled. Cause what? People will know her and know what she do. Tell Sunshine everything. You see what I say? So she now make it real bad for herself because everybody will give her a helping hand. This woman mess up the relationship in a some way. You see me? So when you're not honest, when you are a dishonest person, you end up dig a pit for yourself and then there is nobody to rescue you. You see what I say? Let me know what you think, my people.
Saying about me never.
Me I watch the live from Booker Shoot alone there.
Oh.
Me I watch it before I will go there.
Oh.
Because the live notification come to my husband and me there watch it from the For You page.
Teacher, remember too, when you talk about this because she not talk the truth. Talk about what she do, we do the mix up with the boy and get the bun down and she said him not box out her blessing when she already in line for her blessing.
Listen. And that me never talk and Survivor cut me. When she over there see and she has said meet her to the front, I did not tell her that. I said to her that I will come back on my life, come back. I said, Princess, me dep on my life. And me cut off the phone. In the morning, me, Dolly and Chase call her and Monica go on the line with her and the lady that was giving and the lady French, let me know, a Ricky Smooth. Let me call Ricky Smooth. The donor we donate to her at him. I give her the furniture then. So if him say him not gonna donate no more to her, so what you want me to do now, lady? What you want me to do? We want to find out from you what you want me to do. Because if him not donate no more and donor say him not donate no more, I want me alone to do. Take up our responsibility. Am I mother for me to take up our responsibility me alone? And that me see like when I said this morning. Ricky.
Hello?
Yeah, you want company live? Come in the live. Yeah, so when you give her the furniture them, me want you talk.
Yeah.
You talk.
Yeah, man, the furniture them when woman did get man the good furniture them man the same night when she said she don't want them and the same night the people then take them we can't make the people them take them give me picture of them and send them come here now.
Alright, do that for me please and thanks.
Yeah man, cause remember me just sending picture of dresser where
you send me the picture of the dresser, right, yeah.
Yeah man, so that the example of all furniture they stay good furniture them.
Alright, people in the ear, this are the man.
I know bad. Listen, I know bad the furniture them bad, I could give them right now. Because the house I work on and it does the cement dust and them damage them up. And we say, we better we give somebody them down and turn in at the damage. And show me the depth on the show night and here she and say she want them. That's why I did tell her say, we can't give them when I'm sitting.
Alright, people in the ear.
Even when I said to you, what did bad when we say, we need a gear bad. One man come and take up here and say, I'm clean up here. I tell you, say, I saw a hot girl and saw some top man take them up and go with them. And then eat that furniture them.
Alright, people in here, do you know who I is?
So, woman take them who they believe so the woman know that want them. That tell you the truth. And we can't get it, we can't make them take picture of them and give me and send them come here. I don't know joke thing. So, before I when near woman I say, you don't want them because they all lit up on them at dust. And I'm most cement dust. Because house I work and I'm most cement dust is up on them and we say, you better we get them with them then turn them and damage.
Exactly. And that you tell me. And when times tell the truth, when me say to you say, me don't want your promise and then don't give her, say must ask Dr. B about you.
Because Dr. B know me good and I chop, because I'm going to come past in contact if you can be.
Thank you. Thank you. So when time them people we don't know how anything go, you see, come out and I listen to this woman.
You see her in a box this man now, but that's why I go there for the clear up, but I can't go up to that box. The box was like, when I touch upon it, it's going to that box, I comment on it. The box was something like, I have to subscribe, send a gift or a something like that. And that's why I never go up and go clear up on name attack this morning.
Thank you. Thank you, Ricky Smooth. So at the end of the day, when me, I will pretty it, when me say to you, say, don't joke in and make sure say have good furniture, you have gear, you know. You turn to me and say to me, say, ask Dr. B about me.
But even the same night, me said to the man, say, nobody can't promise the woman nothing, because that's what I want to do. And the man say, you don't know you and them thing there, you don't stay them type of way there, whatever.
Right. So me just want to clear it up and make the people them know.
Also say she never said nothing. Say she want. Don't the night she said she want the furniture. She grateful for it.
Type on the line. All right.
Sunshine the night with the furniture and the man with the man, the same man. And she said she want the furniture. Yes, she want it.
And she said she want it.
And she never said that. I like that tell.
No, you see how she wicked? So if you show the people and say, hold on there guys, show the people how wicked she is now. This lady come over here, and when she come over here, she make her daughter class me around for the media with all type of dirty screamer, but me not watch that still because, remember, you know, and them same people that cut Jesus with her. And them sell out Marcus Garvey for rice. So it come like nothing to me. So when Mackerel feels that she a class me, she a class herself. Because what she talking about people is about herself. So at the end of the day, me never go back and forth with none of you where call me name. Because you not get no hype off of me and no clout off of me. Because me say all Shibada talk about me house and me never run for go argue with Shibada more than where there. Me say me want to go in the inbox to ask him 2 questions. And he said he eat too hot. So he not go bring me up, he bring me next day. Shibada where is a star. When me know from way back when I'm Brittany mute. Or take down Brittany for me please. So, me never try to run after Shibada yet like how me say, you man hold it for people go off him and then get clout and then talk say, oh Shibada me argue with them.
Alright, so my people, right here so we are going to cut this because we are listening to that argument here long enough you know. So, we are going to go over TikTok boss, you know, and make you hear what go on with him. So make we do that, you know, my people.
I get caught, me never try that yet. No matter what she bad over there talk about, oh, me hunch up, me hunch back, me this, me that, me glass house. I never ever, cause me coulda get caught up for she bad. Cause same thing when me hear people tell him, say, me coulda go tell him to one people that say, rotted, sunshine never cause she bad, and then me da get more clout. I mean,
so this month me for PR, you know. Me a go tell the blood clot woman say, man come at the place and tell mama for blood clot come out. You know what the blood clot woman a gonna say? She no business about that. She want her money. Me want you come take blood clot money from my woman. Cause my life in a blood clot jeopardy, and you come here and a blood clot talk and a tell me about blood clot money, and boy come at your place and tell me for come out. And all me a tell you them thing there, you talk about everywhere me go, me no like pay rent. Me a tell you say them thing just like a fuck up my mates, dog. If you know say me dep on the right part and me a do what me have to do, and it's like no matter how me a blood clot ball, it not have nothing to do with nobody. Nobody not care. Nobody not business. Bro, me a tell you, dog, it fuck up. Dog, it fuck up. No matter how me a tell the woman, say lady. That lick my chip. For me I tell the blood clot woman for the place, say man come and in a mass and sitting and tell me for come out of blood clot place. And this blood clot woman I gotta tell me say me a style her and me a this and me a that. It could have worse. Me could have there in that fucking place. A man come fire shot or man come throw a buckle boom in a house or whatsoever, and I saw them with a blood clot. She said it's serious. Cause how the fuck me would have just come out of the blues and I tell you say man come at the house and tell me for come out. What the fuck me I got benefit from that? Eh? For me I tell you them lie there. And the blood clot woman I gotta type some things and I like send some voice note like disrespectful. You hear that? The woman send some voice note where like only God he know. This blood clot woman when me get for analyze, she watch my TikTok. She watch my TikTok. Everybody well I watch my blood clot TikTok would I feel like say, yeah bro, the look of blessings we are shower down pan we're grateful and we give thanks, but people overrate the thing. No. People go overboard and feel like say alright then we are make money certain way. Cause one thing me see with a blood clot woman there, she just all about this. I go say oh me dey on blood clot TikTok and Ray and this and that. Blood clot woman me I tell you about serious things when nearly cost my blood clot life in your place. True you and the blood clot man them way in the same circle so you know in a beef and whatsoever me never blood clot know that when me go there for say me I go rent place. Yo me I tell you say yo this cut me up. Yo this cut me up dog. For no say I write where we are pray. Like in a life for just do it and get there. And it's like bro, every time I reach back on a level, there comes fuckery. You hear what my G just say a while ago? We come here so and me and that dog there for the in at the place over there. You get me? When me just go there so and exchange money with boy and feel like say alright then a boy place. When me stay so boops and come back in my hometown which is here so and like see that dog there make him know say you know me get a one place rent, the dog did want somewhere for rent too at the same time. I bring him go there and show him cause the place is like one next part to it. Well me that pray say him could have fix up and stay there so. You know say from the man come there the first time me not see him back till a while ago. Yo me say come like the man see say yo this so a fuckery. wish me this see too. But me just need a pray, say it's serious panda level here, where it reached to now. Yeah, da, but me know, bro. We are go out here, bro, and God there we do it, and me know, bro. Yeah, we are go fix things. We are go fix things, man. You get me? No joke, we are 31 and a 7 car me have. 7 car me see my own if I saw Tida, Succeed, the Pro Box here. Me have a look at East. Me have my Beamer. And my Tida right off. Where the point where me I try to forget to. You see me how I go hard and own them 6 carrier or them 7 carrier, it then near, like in a pipeline. For like see myself with a house soon. You see all with this we go on, I go just make me go harder. Yeah, this just like a trigger up my brain one kind of way. You know say yo Junior, you need to like get there. You need to get there, dog. Where you can know say alright then you think they on one another level now. When no pussy, no boy, no girl can't give you no talk about this car a year one this. Yeah man, so you see all of this just like build up that something there in me to just know say yo dog, you got to do this. You got to make this happen. Like you have to prove some people wrong, dog. Some people will feel like say at one level me think they pan on feel like say me I go one blood clot parent for whole of my life. No, same way how me used to take blood clot taxi and bus and mix up with some sour people and know say what you going on, I have to have my own blood clot vehicle and like steer my own steering. I same way so me know and pray and know say yo my dog, my guts to get this house. Melanie, my daughter, my love her. Me not like segregate the love where I have for me youth them, but you see that little girl here when named Melanie, bro, my guts to do this for she. I love Melanie, cause guess you don't see that. Who like watch my bumbo clock live? You don't know and I play time. When it come on to me youth, dog, yo, show a man even no dog. Yo, go buy a craving here for me youth. Run up and down thing, dog. Tired of them thing, bro. Yo, Barry, hurry up and go buy craving here, bring come give me, bro. Tired for your back and forth with me youth, them brother. Every time I get somewhere and feel like say alright then, me can dare so.
Hey, this one question more ask. What TikTok boss I do with so much car? What the hell this man I do with so much car? Car investment still, it can be an investment still, you know, but that is not a solid investment. You understand what I say? If you buy a couple car, you're not supposed to reach so far, so much car. Yo, when them they sitting there ready to give problem in a bridging, a big money that I take out of your pocket, you know. Plus anything can happen, me can just drive good on the road and it crash like him say two of them crash right now. Eh? Come on, man. You need to stop by a car and invest in something else. Although some man like them vision, it not really that you'd say I don't know what terms it as, but it's like him don't know say other things that him can invest in. Him just say boy you can buy a car and him buy a car or whatever. Or maybe friend him look him did love and want car and him just buy a whole heap since him start make money. Blood clear, no sir. Let me know one thing with people. I watch a bit more and then we go edit.
Want save my money towards for do what me have to do, dog. The moment my circle and like start do what me have to do, dog, there goes fuckery. Every bumbo car time. something I know. Most of my premium feel like say I cry, my love cry, dog. Yeah, bro, but anytime I touch certain topic, dog, where it's like, I can't hold it back, bro. God know, dog, and I'm sorry for a thing, you get me? Yeah, I don't want to think like me just start this, like phone get soft, and like give me, no, dog. That not in my thing, bro. I'm just tired, bro. Tired I fuckery. I try over years, bro. Every setback, bro, is like them pussy and a sissy hard I'ma go. Every time when I try set my back, it's like when I sissy hard I'ma go, dog. Alright then. When I try set my back one more time, that when I try, you know, when I try for set my back again. That's why when some people make it in a dog and go foreign, you know, them no look back at Jamaica, you know, bro. Dog, I mean, I tell you, bro, you see? I don't like say me have for day or so, I like for build a house, bro. But me just want day and do it, dog. You see, anytime I do that, bro, cause me not take certain things serious in a life, you know. Yeah, dog, me know foreign, no, bed a rose. But you see, anytime I drop my bum buckler, house for my piece of land, yeah, me know say Melanie, if she can't like forward with me same time, yeah, she can go and hold off this. I know say a daddy house that wishes for her one. Any name there, me get serious and go about my papers work, dog. And say overseas, try no. Bumbuckler, Jamaica can't see my back, bro. You feel like I country? Bro, the people them where they are Jamaica corrupt and fuck up.